Nebraska. I think your mama is so wonderful, and she was telling me how much of a fan you were of Titan Games, so I just wanted to say hi. She's in good hands. Love you, Pumpkin. All right, you guys, we're just heading into our evening rehearsal, and then we have our party tonight in the Elvis Suite. We've got Mrs. West Virginia, my roommate, Katrina Chapman. This is my other healthcare professional, Dory. Nurse anesthetist, she's got the drugs and knows how to make you sleep. You better watch out.
It's a great nap.
This is Connecticut, America, so we're going to the Elvis Suite tonight, so watch for all the photos and videos. Who else has a makeup artist that rubs their feet? Nobody. Casper Cruz. Extra. So extra. You guys, I found the woman of the hour, the current reigning Mrs. America, Natalie Winslow. You guys, look at this. We're in the Elvis Suite. Look at her outfit. Totally crushing it. Totally crushing it. This is beautiful up here. Seriously, it's like...
It is so gorgeous. This is the most iconic hotel room in the city. Everywhere you turn is so picturesque, so lush.
I wish
so
you guys,
beautiful.
this won't even do it justice. It won't do it justice, but you guys are seriously missing out.
Listen up.
I want to show you guys the food. Okay. That's looking pretty carnivore. That's looking pretty carnivore right there. Oh, that's mac and cheese. That definitely is something to say, guys. Look at this. There's just like room after room after bathroom, like his and hers, absolutely everything. These like amazing closets. You guys, this is next level. This has been such an incredible once in a lifetime opportunity here at Mrs. America. Seriously. So cool.
Oh, shoot.
Hey, you guys, just want to let you know I found my friend, Mrs. Alabama here.
Hi, Amy and Ashley. I can't wait to meet you. Mrs. Alabama, ready to meet you. Represent for your state.
All right, we're just ending another incredible night. Hi, Katrina. She's already showered and washed her beautiful face off.
Yeah.
She's pretty without makeup. She's pretty without makeup. We're just down here having some snacks, and I bought these gel ice packs for my feet, so I've had those on. Our feet are rough tonight. I don't think you guys realize we're in heels that long. It's hard work. It's hard work. So hope you guys are enjoying all these videos and updates from Mrs. America. We have another day of rehearsals tomorrow. We heard we might have a field trip, so we'll make sure and post about that. Good night. All right, you guys, we're on the bus and we're headed to the Las Vegas sign and then some other secret location. They're taking all these beautiful ladies to say hi. We're having fun. We got to escape the hotel. Here we are at the Harley Davidson store. Okay, we are getting ready to start day 4 of rehearsals here for Mrs. America. You guys, this is how I wake up, and you know that if I were to become Mrs. America, this is how you get me. Most days I don't have makeup on, my hair's in a ponytail, I'm doing work. You know, I work every day as a doctor and as a mom and trying to help so many people. And there are so many people out there right now that need help. 88% of America is metabolically unhealthy. And I don't care if it comes to heart disease, cancer, diabetes, addiction, mental health, depression, anxiety. So many of these things could be made so much better with proper nutrition, proper movement, proper sleep, getting back to making real human connections. We are connected to the world. Relationships are literally currency. Tomorrow is interview day, and I am so excited to go in there and talk to these judges and to start spreading my message, to let them know who I am and what I can bring as Mrs. America. So I'm sitting here in the hair and makeup chair, drinking my protein shake. This has been just an incredible experience connecting with these women and hearing their stories and hearing their messages. There's so many good things happening here in Las Vegas.